How to record Instagram calls. Record Instagram audio calls. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing some safe and legal ways to keep track of important conversations during Instagram calls. Whether it's for work, interviews, or personal memories, I'll show you the right approach without violating privacy rules. Let's get started. Before we go any further, it's important to respect privacy laws. In many places, recording calls without permission is illegal. So, always make sure you have clear consent from the other person before trying any method. Instead of direct call recording, here are a few ethical and guideline-friendly alternatives. Take notes. Keep a notebook or use your phone's Notes app to write down key points during the call. Use Instagram's chat feature. If the conversation is important, you can request the other person to send key details through Instagram DMs. Voice memos with consent. If you need to keep a record of a discussion, ask for permission, and then use your phone's built-in voice recorder outside the call. For work-related discussions, try using official video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, which have built-in recording features with consent options. So that's how you can ethically save important details from Instagram calls without breaking any rules. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.